Hey viewers, welcome back to another episode of BFDI Battle. This is part 8. Yeah, and also I'm gonna move everyone because, and also this is why that is the beginning. Oh yeah, that's nice of you, Blake. Yeah, thanks, Marco. Anyways, Marco, visit match, go. Oh my poisons. No, my poisons. Grr, grr. Yeah, I win the victory. Marker wins. Alright, Grassy versus Blocky. Go. No. Blocky wins. Yeah. Alright, so Coiny versus Lollipop. Go. Oh hey, look guys, it's time for you off. Yeah. Yes, I did it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Okay guys, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bless you. Thank you.